First and foremost, what are ventilator settings? To give a brief definition, ventilator settings are the controls on a mechanical ventilator that can be set or adjusted in order to determine the amount of support that is delivered to the patient. Support can be provided in the form of ventilation and oxygenation. You must develop an understanding of how each setting can be adjusted in order to provide more or less of each type of support for the patient. Some examples of the basic ventilator settings include ventilator mode, tidal volume, the frequency or rate, FiO2, inspiratory flow rate, IE ratio, sensitivity, PEEP, and ventilator alarms. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel. Also, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other resources that I think you will enjoy. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. And if you want to support the channel, be sure to drop a like on this video, and you might as well go ahead and click the subscribe button while you're down there. I would greatly appreciate it. That's it for this one. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.